County Sheriff's Office and the Florida Department of Law Enforcement are looking for Rosalina Cueto, a Hispanic female, 15 years of age, 4 feet 9 inches tall, 98 pounds, brown eyes, and brown hair. Last seen wearing a blue shirt, gray shorts with blue stripes. Rosalina has a birthmark on the right side of her cheek near her mouth. Law enforcement believes that Rosalina is in danger and possibly being held against her will by Jose Guadalupe Espida Rodriguez, a Hispanic male, approximately 19 to 24 years of age, with black hair, brown eyes, and a thin bill. And Hemi Espida Rodriguez, a Hispanic male, mid-20s, approximately 5 foot 3 inches tall, 125 to 130 pounds, with black hair. They may be traveling in a white 1996 Ford Thunderbird with North Carolina tag number Robert Zulu November 8581, possibly heading out of the state. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Rosalina Cueto, please contact the Hendry County Sheriff's Office at 863-674-4060 or the Florida Department of Law Enforcement at 1-800-226-2028 or call 911.
Maryland State Police, at the request of Cecil County Sheriff's Office, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for Hannah Lynn Harrigan. Hannah Lynn Harrigan is further described as being 3 feet and 42 pounds. The child was last seen wearing a pink coat, blue jeans, a black Hello Kitty long-sleeve shirt. The child was last observed at approximately 5:30 p.m. in the area of 5655 Telegraph Road in Elkton, Maryland. This child is believed to have been abducted by Peter Giles Peltier. Peter Giles Peltier, a white male described as being 5 feet 8 inches tall and 160 pounds. Suspect may be wearing a dark coat and a black hat. Possible suspect vehicle is a 1995 Ford Mustang convertible, forest green in color with a black roof. The vehicle has damage to the roof and several spots have silver and or black tape bearing Maryland registration 9EFL19. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 for the Cecil County Sheriff's Office at 410-996-5511. Do not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child. All immediate inquiries should be directed to call 410-996-5511. Time.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber Child Abduction alert. D.C. police are looking for 6-year-old Rashawn Robinson, described as a black child, 4'8", 90 pounds, last seen wearing a tan and black coat, blue pants, a blue shirt, and Jordan tennis shoes with yellow soles. Again, the child's name, Rashawn Robinson, 6 years old, may be in the company of 29-year-old Rolanda Edgar, who was last seen today on Naylor Road Southeast, the 2700 block of Naylor Road Southeast. Edgar described as a 29-year-old black woman, 5'8", slim build with what police describe as lazy eyes. She was last seen wearing a tan zipper jacket, red shirt, and dark sweatpants. Again, an Amber Child alert going out for 6-year-old Rashawn Robinson. More information here as we learn it.
Run on the money.
We have just received this important information regarding an abducted child in Federal Way, Washington, King County. Valley Communications Center is looking for a child who was last seen at 2626 Southwest 327 St. Federal Way, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Carly Gaston. She is 8 years old, white female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be 3 feet and 6 inches, weighing 65 pounds. She was last seen wearing school uniform, blue turtleneck, blue pants, white Heeley roller shoes, curly ponytail. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of a man named Ben. He is a 24-year-old Pacific Islander male with black hair. He is believed to be 5 feet and 9 inches, weighing 140 pounds. He was last seen wearing black t-shirt, black and green army pants. They may be traveling in a silver-colored vehicle, of an unknown type. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 253-372-1300 immediately.
Geo Metro, tag number BYK4692. On 7/14/2012 at 1:30 p.m., Austin Waters, a white 3-year-old male wearing a blue t-shirt and blue jeans, was last seen at 1605 Highway 138, Monroe, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Austin was abducted by Bobby Waters, a 44-year-old white male, and is believed to be traveling Highway 138 towards Gainesville. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Austin Waters or the gray 1993 Toyota Camry, tag number BQW9549, or a 1990 Geo Metro, tag number BYK4692, please contact Walton County Sheriff's Office at 770-267-6556.
So, well, that should be done.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. We have just received important information regarding an abducted child in Seattle, Washington. The Seattle Police Department are looking for a child who was last seen at 3035 South Chicago Street and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Aaron L. Lopez. He is a 1-year-old white male with bald hair and blue eyes. He is believed to be 2 feet and 6 inches tall and weighing 26 pounds. He was last seen wearing a gray coat, gray sweats, and white shoes. Authorities say he might be in the company of Daniel Lopez Andillo. He is a 24-year-old white male with black hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 5 feet and 7 inches tall and weighing 140 pounds. He was last seen wearing a black beanie, black jacket, white shirt, jeans, and black tennis shoes with white soles. They may be traveling in a 2003 silver BMW 325i with Washington license plate 701ZNB. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, contact 206-693-2111 immediately.
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liliana Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicle is a Mercury Mystique, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
To 23. The pressure was 30.01 inches and falling. Around the region, at South Bend, it was sunny, with a temperature of 65. At Chicago, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 67.
Another EAS.
Florida. He was last seen wearing a gray shirt. Bruce was abducted by a light-skinned
It's in child abduction.
dreadlocks, driving a dark gray Infiniti G37.
Shut it!
Subjects of this alert may be armed and dangerous. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Winter Garden Police Department at 407-877-5482 or 911.
Another EAS caught on camera.
Child Abduction Emergency. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. Oh wow, what happened? Didn't hear anything about this. Let's see.
State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction alert for the Shippensburg Police Department, Cumberland County, PA.
That's far.
Shippensburg Borough Police Department is searching for Kayla Del Rosario, age 7, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. She was last seen in the area of 304 North Fayette Street, Shippensburg Borough, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Shippensburg Borough Police is also searching for the mother, Darlene Denisa Rijo Aquino, age 28, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. Del Rosario was reported abducted by her father, Kelvin Monica Reyes, a 25-year-old white Hispanic male, driving a white Toyota Corolla sedan, bearing Pennsylvania registration KRR6053. Repeating, the Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction alert for the Shippensburg Police Department, Cumberland County, PA. Shippensburg Borough Police Department is searching for Kayla Del Rosario, age 7, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. She was last seen in the area of 304 North Fayette Street, Shippensburg Borough, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Shippensburg Borough Police is searching for the mother, Darlene Denisa Rijo Aquino, age 28, a white Hispanic female, unknown clothing description. Del Rosario was reported abducted by her father, Kelvin Monica Reyes, a 25-year-old white Hispanic male, driving a white Toyota Corolla sedan bearing Pennsylvania registration KRR6053. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.amber.pa.gov. This has been a Amber Child Abduction Alert for the Shippensburg Police Department, Franklin County.
Oh, wow. That hasn't happened in, I don't think, a year and a half. Wow. It's down near Shippensburg. It's pretty far away. I'm really far away from Shippensburg. But, yeah, I was watching the Eagles game and this came up. So,
An Amber Alert has been issued at the request of the Irving Police Department. Irving Police are looking for Serenity Berry, a 7-month-old black baby girl. Serenity was last seen wearing a white onesie when she was taken from the 2900 block of West Pioneer by who police say was her mother, Jocelyn Nicole Bridges, a 35-year-old woman. Jocelyn was last seen wearing a multicolored shirt with blue jean leggings. Jocelyn's hair color is black with brown highlights, and she is currently wearing it braided. Irving police say Bridges was driving a blue 2011 Ford Focus with Texas license plate MGP 8642. Again, that's Texas license plate MGP 8642. If you have any information, call the Irving Police Department or 911.
The McDonald County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 67 Johnson, Southwest City, Missouri on July 9, 2020 at 8:52 a.m. Abducted was Samuel Padron, white, male, age 4. Abducted was Genesis Padron, white, female, age 8. Suspect vehicle is a red 2009 Ford Flex bearing Missouri registration RA1J1L. Vehicle last seen in an unknown direction of travel. Suspect is Hilda Melendez, a white, female, 35, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 130 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect is a non-custodial parent that assaulted the female that was watching the children and took them from the residence. The vehicle could also be occupied by the suspect's mother Betty. They are possibly en route to the country of Mexico. Recent statements made indicate the children are in danger. Please call 911 or McDonald County Sheriff's Office at 417-223-4318 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Maryland State Police, at the request of Maryland State Police McHenry Barrick, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for 9-month-old Brady Eliza Sellers, a white female further described as being 2 feet 0 inches and 27 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. The child may only be wearing a diaper. The child was last observed at approximately 10:15 hours in the area of Grantsville, Garrett County, Maryland. The child is believed to be in the company of Keith Randall Kyle, a 35-year-old white male, further described as being 5 feet 10 inches and 200 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. A possible suspect vehicle is a 2010 Mazda 3, 4-door, blue in color, with orange rims and orange wipers, bearing Maryland tag 9 Edward Delta 0360. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Maryland State Police McHenry Barrick at 301-387-1101. Do not take action which can endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.
A statewide Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, a statewide Amber Alert has been declared. The Huntington Police Department has requested the activation of an Amber Alert from Huntington, Indiana, which is 105 miles north of Indianapolis. The victim, Nevaeh O'Neill, is a 5-year-old white female, 4 feet 5 inches tall, 50 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes, and was last seen wearing blue jeans and Paw Patrol pink tennis shoes. Nevaeh was last seen on Tuesday, October 20th, 2020 at 8:15 p.m. in Huntington, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspects are unknown and last seen driving a gold Ford Ranger extended cab truck with a toolbox in the bed of the truck and an unknown plate. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Huntington Police Department at 260-356-7110 or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.
That literally freaked me out. I had it going on both phones. But I hope the child will be okay.
Child Abduction Emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police, Springfield, Illinois. At the request of the Riverdale Police Department, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The Riverdale Police Department is investigating a double homicide and child abduction that occurred at 14212 South Tracy Avenue, Riverdale. The child is Camarion P. Hebron, a black, male, 1-year-old, black hair, brown eyes. Camarion was last seen in the early morning hours on November 27th. The suspect is identified as Clarence Hebron, a black male, 32 years old who is 5 foot 6 inches tall and weighs 135 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2009 silver Dodge Caravan with Illinois license plate CA96676. Anyone with information about this abduction are asked to contact 911.
Black hair and brown eyes, was last seen in Milwaukee, Washington, wearing a dark green Carhartt hoodie and light blue jeans with holes. She may be in the company of an unknown adult male, is 5 foot 9 inches and 120 pounds, an unknown adult female, small and last seen wearing a black coat. They may be traveling in a 2015 silver Subaru Legacy, Washington license plate BJU3169. If you have any information, please call the Chelan County Sheriff at 509-667-6966.
66875 or call 911.
The St. Joseph Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 6216 Promenade Lane, St. Joseph, Missouri on March 15, 2021 at 3:37 p.m. Abducted was Mia Latour, white, female, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a white 2013 GMC Acadia bearing Missouri registration EF1S3 Guaranese. Vehicle/suspect last seen unknown. Suspect is Amber Dawn Polachek, a white, female, 32, 5 feet 1 inches tall, 110 pounds, has brown hair and green eyes. Last seen wearing unknown. Suspect is Jeremiah Latour, a white, male, 29, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 165 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing unknown. The male suspect forced entry into the child's home with 2 other unknown males and took the child by force. He is armed with an unknown type weapon. Please call 911 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Oh, there it goes.
This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child Abduction Alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Grand Junction, Mesa County. The Mesa County Sheriff's Office is searching for 12-year-old Audra Hadray, last seen in the 200 block of Village Lane, in Grand Junction, Colorado about 1 this morning. Audra Hadray is described as a white female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 119 pounds, with blonde hair and hazel eyes. Audra Hadray was last seen wearing a white t-shirt and gray shorts. Investigators believe Audra Hadray may have been taken by 20-year-old Teresa Ochoa, also known as Toby, a white Hispanic female identifying as male, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 180 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. The two may be traveling in a 1999 Toyota 4Runner, Colorado license plate AFQF92. They are believed to be in the Denver metro area at this time. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. New Mexico, at 12:44 p.m. on February 27, 2021, effective until 12:59 p.m. Belen, NM. The following information is for the distribution of an Amber Alert from the Belen Police Department. For details, please contact the Belen Police Department at 505-966-2680. The Belen Police Department is asking the public for assistance in locating Italy Hernandez, a 2-year-old Hispanic female. She is 2 feet 5 inches tall, weighing approximately 50 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Italy was last seen at 8:30 a.m. on Monday, September 27, 2021, at 7 Round Drive in Belen. Italy was last seen wearing a red and blue onesie. She was taken by her father Francisco Hernandez, a 29-year-old Hispanic male. He is wanted by the Belen Police Department for a stabbing that occurred this morning. He is 5 feet tall, 150 pounds, with brown eyes and black hair. They are believed to be driving a 2010 white Chevrolet passenger car with an unknown New Mexico license plate number. Their destination and direction of travel are not known. Many details are still unknown and under investigation. However, of urgent concern is the whereabouts of Italy Hernandez. Anyone with any information regarding this New Mexico Amber Alert is asked to call the Belen Police Department at 505-865-2039 or dial 911.
Amber Alert!
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Calgary Police Service has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Central Alberta and Southern Alberta. At 2:30 p.m. on Thursday, January 27, 2022, 2-year-old Hawken Gerald Thomas was taken by his mom, Tamara Jane Vanderjankt, from downtown Calgary. Hawken is a white male with blonde hair, wearing a red sweater, green boots, and dark camouflage sweatpants. Hawken's mom, Tamara, is a 40-year-old white female with bright, short, red hair. She was wearing a black hoodie and red pants. Tamara was driving a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander, brown in color, Alberta license plate, NLY991, and was last seen westbound 9 Avenue Southeast, going past Blackfoot Trail. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police if you have any information. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
First ever Amber Alert that I filmed on TV. Hopefully.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Alabama, at 6:22 p.m. on February 3rd, 2022, effective until 6:37 p.m., the state of Alabama has issued a child abduction emergency Amber Alert. The Enterprise Alabama Police Department and the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency asks for your assistance in locating D.I.H.L.E.T.Z. Aycock, Hispanic female, 12 years of age, with black hair and brown eyes. D.I.H.L.E.T.Z. Aycock was last seen on February 3, 2022 at approximately 1:45 am wearing a black shirt and blue jeans and is believed to be in extreme danger. Aycock was possibly abducted by an unknown Hispanic male who possibly goes by the name of Kukal, believed to be in his early 20s. The subjects may be traveling in a 2017 black GMC Acadia with an unknown tag number. If you have any information regarding this missing child, please contact the Enterprise Police Department at 334-347-2222 or call 911.